Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about polynomial long division and also a synthetic division. So let's get right into it. Let's say if we want to divide a rational quadratic, so x squared 5x plus, let's say, plus 7 over x minus 3. Okay, so to do this we can either do synthetic or long division. For first, we're going to do a long division first. So long division is like this. We have the factor. This is not a factor, but we have the denominator, which is x minus 3, and then we have the numerator, which is x squared plus 5x plus 7. First, we divide the first term by our first, the highest degree x, which is x to the power of 1 here, which we have left, which is x. So we have x on top here, but we multiply this x by this denominator, which and put it inside here, which left us with x squared minus 3x. Okay, when we minus them, we have what? 8x. All right, and then 7 goes down. Now, again, the same deal. So 8x divided by our x here is equals to 8. So plus 8, and 8 times the denominator, which is x minus 3. So 8x minus by 24. We minus them, which left us with 7 plus 24 is 31. So this remainder, we add 31 divided by the denominator, which is x minus 3. X minus 3. Okay, so this is the same thing as x plus 8 plus 31 over x minus 3. Let's prove it. So if we times this x plus 8 and with x minus 3 and add by 31 and all over x minus 3, we have x squared plus 5x, right? And then minus by 24 and then plus by 31 all over x minus 3. Well, this will be x squared plus 5x plus 7 over x minus 3. Okay, so this is exactly the same as this, but in the factorized form, or divided form. Another example, let's say we had like x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x plus 1 and divided by x minus 7. Okay, then this will become x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x plus 1 and all divided by x minus 7. The same deal, we have x cubed and divided by x, which is x squared. So we have x squared here times the denominator, which is x minus 7. So x cubed minus 7x squared. All right, now we minus them, which we have 14x squared. All right, and then the 3x goes down, so plus 3x. This will be 14x squared, whereby x would be 14x. Okay, so this is add by 14x. So 14x squared, 14x times negative 7 will be 14 times 7. That's 98, negative 98. Yeah, x and we minus them, which will have 100, 101. Okay, so x, and then the 1 goes down, x minus 7. So 101x divided by x would be 101, times it by 101, x minus 7. So 101 x minus 707. Okay, this would be at by 101, and then our remainder would be 708. So plus by 708 over x minus 7. 708 over x minus 7. So our result will be um, x squared plus 14x plus 101 plus 708 over x minus 7. Okay, okay, so now synthetic division. If we have x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then we divide by x minus 1, we take the positive. So we need to take the form x minus a. We take a, so we have 1 to this with the coefficients, which is 1, 5, and 6. Now we add when, so the first term 1 goes down, and 1 times 1, which is 1, on the next term. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and then we have 6 times 1, which is 6. We add them, 12. This is our remainder. This is our x degree for the first degree, and then this is the constant. So what we have here is x, okay, 1x plus 6 and then plus 12 uh, over x minus 1. Since the remainder is not 0, we still have the x minus 1 denominator. So x plus 6 plus 12 over x minus 1. Let us check with the long division if it's true. So x minus 1 and x squared plus 5x plus 6. So x squared divided by x, which we have x, okay? So this will be x times x squared minus x squared minus x, and we minus them. 5x plus x will be 6x, and 6x divided by x will be 6, and then our 6 here added by here, and then times x minus 1, so 6x minus 6, and then we minus them. We would have 0, and this is positive 6. 6 goes down, plus 6, yeah, this is plus 6, and then minus them. We have positive 12. Okay, so we have plus 12 over x minus 1. So it's the same thing. In this case, this is faster. Well, how about a cubic? X cubed plus 5x plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 1, divided by, let's say, x plus 1. Okay, in this case we take a negative 1, because remember, if we have x minus b, we take b. So if we have x plus 1, then x plus b, then we take minus b. So negative 1 1, 5, 7, and 1. Again, 1 goes down times negative, so add becomes 4, and times negative, so negative 4. We add, and this becomes 3. Okay, negative 1. So negative 3, we add, this becomes 2. Okay, this is the remainder. Uh, when we have a highest degree, x cubed, then this is lower, and minus 1 degree, so this is x squared, this is the x, and this is the constant c. So this would be what? X squared plus 4x plus 3, and then plus 2 over x plus 1. And let's check with the long division. So if we have x plus 1, and then x cubed plus 5x plus 7x plus 1, we divide x cubed by x squared, so, and then we times the x squared by x plus 1, so x cubed plus x squared, oh sorry, yeah, this is 5x squared, and we minus them, we get 4x and squared, and then we divide them, we have 4x squared over x, we have 4x, right? So plus 4x, we times by 4x, so 4x squared plus 1, and this term becomes 4x, right? So we have 7x and 4x, we minus them, we have 3x. Okay, now 1 goes down here, 4 and then 3 divided by what? 3x divided by x with 3. So our result would be 3 um 3x plus 3, we minus them, we have negative 2. So again, we have negative 2 over what? X plus 1. Oh, wait. 1 minus 3 would be negative 2. So yeah, the result is the same, which this method is the fastest. So what if we just have x cubed plus x plus 1 over x plus 6? We don't have the x squared here. So what we do, again, we have x plus 6, right? Let's do it the long division way first. And then we x cubed plus by 0 times x squared, okay, plus by x and plus by 1. We divide, we have x squared and x squared, so x cubed plus 6x squared, we minus them, we have minus 6x squared. Okay, and then now x goes down, plus x. Now minus 6x, okay, x squared divided by x, this will be minus x, 6x, right? So minus by 6x, multiply it by this, so minus 6x squared plus negative 36, right? 36x. Now we minus them, which will get 0, and this will become 37x and then plus by 1 because 1 goes down. Now 37x divided by x would be 37. So we have plus 37, and then this is 37x and then times 6, 36 times 37, that would be 42, 18, 21 and 22, sorry. So plus by 222, and then we minus them. What we get is negative 221 as the remainder. So negative 221 divided by x plus 6. Let's check for the synthetic division. So negative 6, right? And then we have 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1 goes down. Okay, so 1 goes down. Minus 6, minus 6, 6, and then 6, minus 6 and minus 6, 36. We add them, 37. And 37 times minus 6 would be, I don't remember, so negative 221. Negative 221. Yeah, 22. So we add them, we have negative 221. So this is the remainder. This is the constant. This is the x to the first power, and this is x to the second power. So we have x squared plus, and then minus 6x plus by 37 and minus by 221 over x plus 6. Okay, which is the same with the long division. Okay, so that's it for this video. On the next video, I'm going to talk about the remainder theorem and also the factor theorem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.